Guys, so let's see how to convert any website into app on Mac and use it as an app on Mac. So let's say, for example, I have taken this Apple website and I want to, keep it on my Mac as an app. So for that, just open the website and then click on File and then click on Add to Dock. Now from here, you can rename as you wish. You can change the URL if you want. Otherwise, click on Add. And now what will happen? This particular website will be added as an app. Here it is. Whenever you will click it, it will open as an app. Okay. If you search it, it will also appear in the search result app and you can click on it. You can also find it in the launcher also. So in this way, you can convert it as an app. Now to delete it, just right click and quit and then drag and drop to the recycle bin. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like,